What's up, guys? Today we're gonna play Bee Swarm Simulator from the beginning. So we're gonna try to beat the game, and we're just gonna try to beat the game. So currently I have 0 bees and 0 honey. This is a new account. Brand new, just fresh. So we're gonna try to get a bee. I'm gonna try to fill up. How much is a bee? 1,000 honey. I am broke. So I know a lot of good places that have secrets, but I don't know where they are. So I'm going to be on the run. Oh, I do already have an egg. I didn't know that. We're gonna put it right here. Oh my god, that's so rare. That's really cool. Let's go. Oh yeah, I gotta convert. So our first bee is an epic frosty bee. I think that we should go for a blue hive or a fuzzy hive. Well, for reasons, I guess. But I think my torso is green for some reason. Oh yeah, sticker book. I remember when it just first came out, it was really cool. So, I'm just gonna like AFK here with my buzzy bee. Since he's a blue, we might as well head to a blue hive. Oh my gosh, it's a sprout. Oh, it goes. Oh, run. Come on. Yes, let's go. Ow. And we killed him. I think, like, this goal for today's episode is to unlock the 10 bee zone. Or max out the items in the shop. So right now we need bees, but we don't have bees, so I don't know what to do. I need a new mic. But we're already getting close to having a new bee, which is amazing. Oh, can't jump on those. White bubbles. Let's go on this. There's some hidden stuff. Oh yeah, I gotta go grab a quest from Black Bear. You look like a promising new honey maker. I happen to be a honey, we're just not gonna care about this. Compared you guys have already played this game. Oh yeah, we should start by doing Mother Bear's quests. Cause like these, like she gives us a star egg, I think, or a star tree. Somewhere. Okay. So our container is full. Which means we have to head back. Oh wow, he has a lot of normal bees. Huh. I have an alt account somewhere, but it's not very good. I have a lot of alt accounts. But anyways, wait, yeah, the mic's on. Anyways, we are going to continue trying to get the quests done. I miss being fast. Anyways, we're gonna complete a quest and get some honey, which is good. Ooh, 200, that's good. Nice, we got dandelion field. So, we are going to try this. I am going to see y'all back after I get a new bee. Okay, I take that back. I think we're gonna have a new bee anytime now, which will be amazing. Oh, we haven't even discovered the basic bee. I remember my first time I showed my sister this game and she used a royal jelly on a bee and it turned into a legendary, I think. I don't even remember how she got the royal jelly. I think it just popped into her inventory. But anyways, we have a new bee and the prices will stop. Marketing, am I right? So, now that we have a new bee, I'm gonna place it right on top. Yes! Basic bee unlocked. Let's go! So, we still have to complete the Dandelion Deed quest. You know, I should try to go for that. I want that. Hiya! 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 Okay, this jump's gonna be hiya! Let's go! I did it! Once I get 3 bees, I think I'm gonna like head over to like, I think I'm gonna go do I don't know. You know, I don't really have a fuzzy hive, so I think I'm just gonna go I think I'm gonna turn this account into a fuzzy hive and just start grinding. Maybe I'll set up a macro, but it's too early for macro since we're an early game. And to all my Bee Swarm Simulator pros, I'm sure you know what a fuzzy hive is. Looks like he is somewhere. Okay, let's go. We're already getting close to a new bee. I don't even know how I got a tree. Oh yeah, I forgot. I don't have the buddy bee. I don't know how I'm gonna manage without that, but still. Ow. Okay. Oh yeah, I gotta claim a quest again. That's something that I often forget. I often forget to like go, like once I go there, I often forget to like accept the next quest. So now we just gotta get 500 pollen, which is good. Because now we can come, oh, he has a lot of normal bees. Not judging. Like, he's still better than me, but special or anything. Let's see. Bomber bee. It's okay, it's okay. Hey, we got a ticket. Is it Bomber bee built for like, let's see, attack. Dang. Frosty bee. We do 4 damage. I forgot how much, I think we're just gonna complete the Fallen Fetcher. And then I think we're gonna be, unlocking a new area. I really want, the bee, but vicious bee. Y'all wanna hear a story? One time during Christmas, I had 50 gingerbread bears. And wanna know what happened to those gingerbread bears? I had 50 of them, I was like 51. I fed them to my vicious bee. Pretend that this is a vicious bee. I fed the 51 gingerbread bears, and it became gifted. Which anybody who hasn't played or know anything about Bee Swarm Simulator doesn't know what gifted means. So I'm gonna show you guys later what gifted means. It does not mean special. Quite legitimately means that they are different. For better. These quests are kind of easy, but they're kind of getting hard since I only have 2 bees. Oh, it's nighttime. That means that vicious bee might spawn. Oh yeah, I'll go find the stuff that I usually need to beat Bee Swarm Simulator. Okay, now we have a royal jelly, which you can use on our next bee when you get it. If you're a noob at this game, oh, how do you get that? I feel like I've gotten it before. Obviously it's connected to here, but still. Oh hey, a ticket. Let's go. Oh dang it. So our next quest is Red Request. So we have to go get it. To go to the red fields. Cannon. Oh, I fell out of the cannon. Yeah, let's go. What's this stuff? Oh yeah, we need to get these. I remember these. Come on, kill it. Kill it. No! I'm dying. Kind of, I think blueberries would be good. Oh wow. I kind of have a lot of items. we're gonna place this egg right here. Basic B. Not anymore. Hasty B. Let's go! Oh my gosh! Let's go! A red legendary B. That's fire. I don't think Bomber B's that good, so we're gonna use one of these on him. Does it Brave B? What does Brave B do? Pretty good. How much damage does Shy B do? Yeah. Yeah. Let's go. Oh yeah, Panda Bear's quest. Oh crap. This is gonna be the fight of the life. Life or death situation. Oh no, I gotta run. Come on. We can do this. Come on. Go get him. You guys got this. Oh. I feel like I might die soon. Let's go, we got reinforcements. I don't think we can handle it. I might need to call reinforcements, but I don't know if I can. I found containers for my bees are kind of. Oh. I wonder what Cool Kid's playing on. I'm playing on some old stuff. Maybe like I am, but still. I'm playing on my tablet. It's just my dog. My dog walking around. I quite legit think Cool Kid died. My bees are better. Ouch. I was not paying attention. That kinda hurt. Only a little bit though, so I'm fine. Alright, I think I'm gonna end video for today. Goodbye, guys.